Because we use a proprietary way of making tooling, and so basically we're able to get people that are using smaller quantities into a stamping with very low cost. Hi, I'm Dave Reardon. I'm with Tempco Manufacturing. We're a manufacturer of short-run stampings and sheet metal fabrications. We have 4 processes under our roof. We have laser cutting, we have turret press, we have water jet, and we have stamping. Typically, if you're getting it done on any of those processes, a lot of times we can look at that part, we can find a better way to make it much more economical, and we'll be able to save you some money. We're based in St. Paul, Minnesota. Actually, New England is our largest sales territory. We're very good for anything with smaller quantities, anywhere from 50,000 pieces per year and below. Anything from titanium to the copper alloy, steel, stainless, aluminum, everything. This is a particular part that we make for the lighting industry. It's a draw. We have 2 separate draws, one here, one here. Our tooling is relatively inexpensive, so you can get into a stamping or a draw part for relatively low cost. This is a part that we make again for the lighting industry. It's a square reflector. The previous person that was making this had a very shoddy workmanship. We redesigned a lot of the joints, we redesigned the clip. We worked with the customer on some of the requirements and what they were having problems with. The customer is much happier with the quality that they're getting from us. This is a special aluminum. It's a reflective material. So here's a part that we manufacture for a company actually in Minnesota. And this is a stamping, and most people think that you can't stamp thick material. This is 3/8 thick steel, and we actually punch these holes and the form on the outside. Very, very low cost. The tooling, I think, on this cost somewhere around $1,500, and the piece part is about $1.40. One of the things that we invested in is our federal firearms license. So we're able to do receivers and things like this. And one of the areas that we're very good at recently is more custom magazines. So anything that might be non-standard that you're probably running anywhere from a few thousand to maybe 20,000, that's where we're going to be very good at for something like this type of thing. Do assemblies. We're actually making a robot pod base now that has 40 pieces that are welded robotically, as well as now we're going to be assembling sub-components to that as well now. The only secondaries that we do in-house are drilling, tapping, some machining, minor machining, any of the assemblies, we do that. Whether you have a part, print, or just an idea, call us. We can work with you, we can tell you the best way to make it. We can have a conversation back and forth on what's the best way to do things. So you should contact us and send us your drawings today.
See us and other quality suppliers at d2p.com.